Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to Outdoor and Door Texan. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my quick and easy recipe for hot sauce pickled eggs. Now, pickled eggs in general are real easy to throw together and a whole lot of fun to tweak into your own special recipe. They're a great quick protein snack, and if you like your bites with a zippy heat, these hot sauce pickled eggs specifically will be your new favorite thing in the fridge. We'll be starting out by making the brine. First up, pour 2 cups of your favorite hot sauce into a small to medium-sized saucepan. I'm using Louisiana hot sauce, but you can use anything under the sun, homemade or store-bought. Changing sauces is a really easy way to get some very different results in this recipe. Add 1 cup of white vinegar. Add 1/4 to half an onion sliced. This is optional, but I like having extra snacks in the jar. 1 teaspoon of salt. And finally, 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Then place the pan on your range at medium-high heat and let it come to a simmer for maybe about 5 minutes. While we're waiting on the sauce to start bubbling, go ahead and stuff a 1-quart mason jar with a dozen hard-boiled eggs. If you're looking to go above and beyond, you can always smoke your eggs on a smoker before adding them to the jar. I cover a few tips and tricks for that method in my brush fire eggs video you can find listed on the channel. After the eggs, add 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Once your sauce is bubbling and had a moment to simmer on the range, take it off, let it cool for just a couple of minutes, and then cleanly, expertly, pour the brine into your jar, leaving about ½ an inch of headspace at the top. Wipe off the rim of your jar with a clean paper towel, and then screw down your lid until finger tight. And just like that, you're pretty much done. Now, it's important to note that you need to store this jar in the fridge, and the longer you wait, the better the eggs will have soaked in that hot sauce flavor. I try and give it at least a 1-week minimum, if not 2, before cracking it open. Luckily, I have an older jar on hand, and we can take a look at the color of and taste a finished egg. You can see that giving the eggs time to soak in that hot sauce, they take on a pink reddish tone. And tasting the egg, you'll get that very distinct flavor from whatever hot sauce you chose, along with a zip of vinegar, salt, and the other added spices. The heat is in no way overpowering, and the overall flavor ends up really well balanced. Like I said before, these make excellent quick snacks straight out the jar. But also, thanks to their exotic color, they look just as good sliced up on a meat and cheese board for guests. Either way, they're so simple to make, and there's a ton of room here to run with this recipe and make it your own. Try adding some wild spices or throw in an exotic hot sauce and report back in the comments below on what ended up being your new favorite. In the meantime, thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or anything else to add. I'm always up for talking recipes and helping others on their journey of discovering new food. If you like what you see, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more great content to come. Alright y'all, take care.